Hello everyone. Myself Assistant Professor Moshmi Saraf from KBP Degree College, Thane. Our college is celebrating 75 glorious years of independence by organizing 75 different programs. Today we are presenting on the topic of virtual tour of Indian states and union territories. In this presentation, we are trying to explain you all how our states and union territories were formed after independence. For this, I request one of my students from TY BAF, Omkar More, to present this topic.
Hello everyone. Today I am going to present the topic of virtual tour of Indian states. The midnight of 15th August 1947 is noted as the most significant in the pages of Indian history. In the words of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, India awoke to the life and freedom. Before independence, the India was divided into 565 princely states, and these states believe in independence governance, which was the biggest obstacle in the building a strong India. After Indian independence, 562 princely states has agreed to join the India alliance except Hyderabad, Junagadh, Bhopal and Kashmir. Indian boundaries keep on changing year by year. Today we have 28 states and 9 union territories. Now let's start our virtual tour. In the year 1950, 6 states were formed. First, Uttar Pradesh, the land of the powerful empire. Bihar. It was the further divided in 2000 as Jharkhand state. Assam. It got fully statehood on 26 January 1950. Odisha. First, it was called as Orissa. Now in 2011 it was named as Odisha. Tamil Nadu also formed in 1950. West Bengal. It was established on 26 January 1950. Andhra Pradesh was given the statehood on 1st November 1956. Madhya Pradesh is famous for diamond mining. It came into existence in 1956. Kerala, it is also statehood on 1st November 1956. Rajasthan, the land of kings, got independence in 1956. Karnataka, it was formed as Mysore state in 1956 and later renamed as Karnataka in 1973. Maharashtra. We celebrate Maharashtra Din on 1st May every year as the Maharashtra was formed on independent state on 1st May 1960. Gujarat. It was separated as formed as an independent state in 1960 with Maharashtra. This state is famous for Asiatic lion. Nagaland formed on 1st December 1963. Punjab. Punjab. It was formed on 1966. Haryana. It was formed on 1st November 1966. Himachal Pradesh. It got fully statehood on 25th January 1971. In the year 1973, 3 states got fully statehood. Those are Manipura, Tripura, Meghalaya. Sikkim formed in 1975, popular known as Organic State of India. Goa. This state was under the rule of Portuguese colonies and the state of Goa was formed on 30th May 1987. In the year 1987, Arunachal Pradesh and Mizoram got fully statehood. In 2003, new states were created: Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Uttarakhand. Telangana is Telangana. It was the 28 states of India which got statehood on 2nd July 2014. Now I, re- now I request Mosmi Miss to continue forward.
India has 9 union territories. A union territory is small administrative unit that is ruled by central government. Names are as follows. First, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Second, Chandigarh. Third, Dadra and Nagar Haveli. Fourth, Daman and Diu. Fifth, National Capital Territory of Delhi. Sixth, Jammu and Kashmir. Seventh, Ladakh. Eighth, Lakshadweep. And 9, Pondicherry. In future, we can have more states and union territories, but we have to stand as one Indian. We often say, "Sare jahan se acha Hindustan hamara," because we all are united as an Indian. We are proud of that we are born in Indian soil. These are the references for our PPT presentation. Thank you all.